Hello friends, today let us learn the easiest video editing to make best videos. You can find various types of video editing software that are mostly for computer and are very complex, but today we are going to learn the easiest method, and the video editing app is Video Guru. Let you open the app, and here we can find new project option. In the new project we can find an interface where there are recent and material tab. In recent tab you can find photos and video that you have in your internal storage. In the material tab you can find various types of effect and small clips for start and end of your video. You can choose from those options. And 20 items can be chosen for free version and more for pro version, so let us choose some of them, and after choosing these a new project is created where we can make changes. Let's start.
Now we have come to the editing interface. Here you can increase or decrease the duration of your image or vedio to be played in the video that you're remaking. Now here you can choose the effects that you want to apply in your video and make video look better. To apply effect you have to hold that specific effect for some seconds, and you can apply. You can insert animation also, taping them, and can increase or decrease animation effect. Now after applying effect and animation the video looks You can also insert transition between clips to enhance video as done in this video. Much better, you can also insert text and can animate the text. WCHI is very cool. After this you can export this video into your internal storage. In this way you can make a great video in easy steps. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more new editing videos.